Meow, 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 meow. We'll be doing claw catches today. Is this awkward? Which beanbag? Hello! My name is Daniel. Welcome to Circus-expert. So, normally when we juggle, I have my hands pointing upwards with my palms up to the sky, but today we're taking them down because I'm gonna slam my hands onto the balls. And then to throw, I'm gonna throw with my palm facing down and release like so. And this is called claw catches because I have my hands like a claw, like a cat playing with a ball, or like an eagle finding a prey and diving down on it. That's how I dive down on my balls. I throw from one to the other. It's the same as with the normal cascade. You go from right to left and left to right. And I can practice my throwing and catching. Of course, I can also do it one hand, or I can even have the ball floating and not ever let go. But this is not very useful for your cascade because there we need to juggle 3 balls and I need to go to the opposite side. I can try and claw one ball out. So I'm following the green ball with my eyes, and when it comes to my right hand, I snatch it out and I bring it back into the pattern. Left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand. I snatch them out and I can do 2 in a row. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then if I feel more comfortable, I can keep on going with one hand. So my right hand is clawing every single ball. And now I also need to start throwing from the bottom up. When I was still doing a single throw, I could throw normal. So I claw, I throw normal again. But if I do continuously with my right hand, I throw with my hand upside down. So I release, and my wrist opens, ready to make the next claw. So right hand side continuously, or left hand side continuously. And of course, in the end, you combine the two to get a full claw catch juggling. And if you do it from the side, you can even have your hands rotate a little bit, and it looks very nice. People think that juggling gets harder when you do it faster and make it look more difficult. You can pose a little bit with it. That's how all the old school jugglers used to do it. And make it look like it's the hardest thing in the world, because actually it is. It takes some practice, but I think you can learn it. And if you don't, or you want to learn other stuff, there's plenty more on this YouTube channel. So give this video a like and subscribe to the video channel, because we'd love to see you in the next one. Bye bye.